guys, today we're going to be unboxing a model bus from China, so yes, let's get into it. Here we are, here's the wrapper. Oh, maybe it's not the one from China. Maybe it's still a model school bus, but yes, it's not the one from China. Here we go, here's the school bus in its package. It's made by Welly. Yeah, first time I got one of their school buses. And here we go, guys. Come on. Ah, there we go. Right, just pop the box there. So yes, here is the school bus from Welly. I thought it was the one from China, but obviously not. So yeah, overall I think it's a pretty good model. Here's the back, here's the side, here's the front, and here's the other side, and here's the bottom. And it just rolls quite good if I just move the mouse. And yeah guys, so let's go and pop this bus in the cabinet. Yes, here are all my other ones, and there's a piece of the wrapper on me. It's off now, so yes. Open up the cabinet, please none of you fall out, thank you. And this bus shall go here. Yes, I've got an IC bus as well, which came all the way from America. So yes, that's my new addition to the collection. And thank you for watching, guys, and peace out.